Hello, Darian Woolbright here in Oklahoma City. As we move forward in 2021, many of us are aware of our struggling pandemic economy and wondering what's next. In today's video, I'll discuss how the administration changes could impact real estate and mortgage rates. Stay tuned. With the new administration, almost all my real estate conversations involve how will this affect you in the real estate market. After the January inauguration, the 10-year Treasury yield climbed above 1% for the first time since the pandemic began early last year. Mortgage rates are expected to increase as the economy strengthens. The Mortgage Bankers Association predicts 30-year fixed mortgage rates to hit 3.2% by the third quarter of 2021 and hold steady until 2022. Home buyers are more eager than ever to purchase homes and lock in these historically low interest rates before they increase. With current efforts to control the coronavirus, borrowers are expecting rates to increase. So while there's no guarantee of increasing rates, this could cause prices to stabilize and allow the hot market to cool down, which may be good news for some home buyers. I recently read that 40% of buyers in today's market have been up against multiple offers and lost out to other buyers. So if you've been there, and I know I've been with some of my buyers have, you are not alone. This may be great news for sellers. However, some buyers are jumping the gun and getting into it too quickly, and in turn, they end up canceling their contract. This is the number one reason why it's important to have a great, experienced realtor on your side, whether you're buying and even more importantly, if you're selling. Overall, 2021 is expected to be another year with a strong push in purchasing and refinancing. Home buyers should expect an increase in mortgage rates, but a calmer market, as home prices should stabilize. And if you're thinking of selling, you should start to prepare today. Now, if you're feeling anxious or have specific questions related to your real estate holdings, give me a call and we can customize a plan just for you. I'm Darian Woolbright, your eyes on the real estate market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.